హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో ఇవాళ ఫస్ట్ డిక్టేషన్ ఒకటి చెప్తున్నాను, 60 వర్డ్స్ పర్ మినిట్. సో గెట్ రెడీ. 1 2 3 స్టార్ట్. యువర్ ఎక్సలెన్సీ మిస్టర్ ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్, లేడీస్ అండ్ జెంటిల్మెన్, I am delighted to be with you in your beautiful country and in this wonderful city this afternoon. This is my first engagement of my visit. I thank the various chambers of commerce and industry in this city for arranging this meeting. I feel privileged and honored to address this distinguished gathering. I also welcome the representatives of Indian business and industry. I thank them for their sincere efforts to strengthen the business relations between our two countries. Your country and its people are a source of inspiration for many countries in the world, including ours. It became a case study of how a nation with meager natural resources could transform itself from wartime ruins to post-war prosperity in one generation. This is a tribute to the extraordinary human resources of your country. On this occasion, I would like to congratulate the industrial leaders of this region for their many outstanding achievements. I am delighted to commence my visit to your great country. From this city, the industrial capital of your country. As you all know, my visit to this country at this time is aimed at not only to expand our economic, commercial and financial cooperation,